Hello everyone and welcome back to Studio 64. So today in this video I'm not only going to be showing you the best material to make your Lego capes from, but I'm also going to show you how to get it for absolutely free. So let me show you. So this is some material which is like basically exactly the same as the 64th Legion colour, and I got this totally for free. As you can see, all I've done is cut out a karma out of this, and that's taken up almost none of that material, so I can probably make another like 10 out of this single piece of material. And I got this for totally free, and like I've got all these different colours. You've got black, even got pattern ones, like that one's pretty cool, and also you got loads of different shades of grey and more patterns, white, and yeah, just loads of different colours. So basically these are all blind samples. So basically a lot of websites that sell blinds offer a free, or sometimes not free, but a lot of the time it is free, samples. So these are just like, you can use them in your house to see like, would I want this for my blinds? But they are totally free, so you can get as many as you want, just to test out, but also you can use them for Lego capes because they're really perfect. Another way you can get this material if you can't get the free samples is to just use some old blinds that you have, or use some old fabric that's similar. Like just say like if you're replacing your blinds and you have this massive sheet of the perfect fabric, then definitely keep it, and then you can just paint it to whatever colour you want. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how good this fabric is by just drawing around a karma and making it just a grey karma out of this. So I've made tutorials on how to make karmas before, but I'm just going to be drawing around this one for now. One tip I'd give is to try and draw underneath the edge of the karmas, so that way you don't make the karma way too big for the minifigure, because I've definitely made that mistake loads of times before. Okay, so as you can see, I've drawn out a template for my karma, and now I'm just going to use a craft knife to cut it out. Okay, so I've cut it out and I'm just going to test how it looks on a figure. Okay, so here's how it looks on a figure, and as you can see, it looks really professional and it's a really nice way to make your custom capes. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know I've been off on a break for a long time and I've kind of forgotten how to speak on YouTube. But apart from that, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.